Yeah, right. So friends, one of the days that I enjoy most, of course I love teaching, is when you get recommended and you come here. I would not deprive you of not listening to them. You keep listening to me every day. We have with us Sikandar on my right. From his name and his pug only you must have got. He got through in for serious entry in his third attempt. After two times trying, he came here, and this time he has made us very proud. We also have Suryash, who's going for AFCAT, and he got through in first attempt. I'm sure you would like to listen to them as to what was their experience, how did they go about it, and how did they make themselves successful. And I can see a number of stars, and you can thereafter ask them any number of questions. So first, can I start with you, Sikandar?
Yes, sir.
God bless you.
So, good afternoon, everybody.
Louder, yaar, kaun mar gaye ho kya? Give them a big hand.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. So, as I was talking about the SSB experience, actually, it was my third attempt, as sir, I've already told you guys. In the first attempt, I got conferenced out, and in the second attempt, I got screened out. And the time when I got screened out, it was the most important time for me. Even my father told me after I came home, after getting screened out, he told me that this is the best thing that could have happened to you in your entire life. Because I was studying like every day. I was getting up early in the morning, I was going for my run, I was sitting on my table all day. I was like studying each and every single detail about SSB and other exams, like I was pursuing for CDS, FCAT and CAPF, all these exams. I was studying so much, and all these things I was doing. So after I got screened out, I thought कि I need some like थोड़ा सा और गाइडेंस और चाहिए मुझे. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं तो कुछ गलती कर रहा हूँ मैं, जो कि पहले स्क्रीन आउट हुआ, पहले कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट हुआ, फिर स्क्रीन आउट हुआ. तो यस सर. तो सर यही था मेरे माइंड में कि इस बार मतलब मुझे प्रेशर नहीं फील करना है उस चीज़ का कि आई हैव टू परफॉर्म समथिंग. लाइक आई वॉज वेरी काम इन द एंटायर SSB प्रोसेस. आई वॉज लाइक काम एज अ पर्सन कैन बी. मतलब जैसे होते हैं ना प्रेशर सिचुएशंस में भी एकदम काम रहना, तो वो मैं इस बार पहले ही सोच के गया था कि मुझे ज़्यादा प्रेशर लेना ही नहीं है. मैं यहाँ पे क्या करने आया हूँ, परफॉर्म करने आया हूँ, और मैं यहाँ पे परफॉर्म करूँगा रिगार्डलेस ऑफ वट एवर हैपन्स.
That's a very good learning, because the moment you bring pressure on you, your performance
goes down. Yes, sir.
So have you gone to the SSB with your down performance? In fact, you should motivate yourself, buck up yourself so well that what you're seeing what is happening in Commonwealth Games. These girls and boys are lifting more than what they had ever done it.
Yes, sir.
So you have gone to perform even better than what you have been doing, isn't it? Yeah, go ahead please.
And talking about other things that happen at SSB centers, mostly क्या होता है ना, लोग they make rules. अपने आप से बना लेंगे वो कि अगर ऐसा होगा तो तेरा रिकमेंडेशन हो जाएगा, अगर ऐसा होगा. सो माई सजेशन वुड बी डोंट हेयर टू द नॉइज दैट इज अराउंड यू, है ना. यू नो वट यू वॉन्ट टू डू, यू नो वट हैव यू कम फ्रॉम. मतलब तुम क्या करने जा रहे हो यार. मैं तो सबको एक ही चीज़ बोलता हूँ कि तुम ये करने जा रहे हो, परफॉर्म करने जा रहे हो वहाँ पे, और कुछ मोटिव होना ही नहीं चाहिए तुम्हारे माइंड में. और देर इज़ अ ग्रुप, लाइक लोग ग्रुप बना के बैठ जाते हैं. प्लीज़ बी द पार्ट ऑफ दैट ग्रुप, क्योंकि बहुत सीखने मिलता है उस ग्रुप से भी. बट कैसा ना कि हर चीज़ सीखने के लिए नहीं होती है, कुछ चीज़ें फिल्टर भी करनी होती है तुम्हें. तो फिर वो
Sikandar is telling you the utmost truth. Don't listen to everything that everybody is telling. सुनो सबकी, करो अपनी और सुनो सबके के बीच में फिल्टर है. ये मेरे लिए एप्लीकेबल नहीं है, ये मेरे लिए एप्लीकेबल है, गुड पॉइंट. बल्कि और उससे जाके बातचीत करके एलाबोरेट करो और सीखो. सीखने में बेटा पीछे कभी नहीं जाना.
यस सर.
राइट. और सीखने की कोई समय परिधि नहीं होती. देयर इज नो टाइम, नो लिमिट. Chauhan sir, in the last 6 years, Learned. He had done interviews before also. But today, also, he says, and I also feel, we learn from candidates many times.
Absolutely.
Right? Many times. So, remember the point that he has told you. Filter. What is applicable to me, I'll take. What is not applicable to me, I'll not take. Yeah.
And other thing is, you must know your core strengths and core weaknesses. Only then you can work on your weaknesses, right? अगर कोर स्ट्रेंथ पता होगी तो तुम बहुत पैशनेटली बोलोगे उस चीज़ के बारे में, तुम अपने आप ही एक्सप्रेस कर दोगे. बस पता तो होनी चाहिए वो चीज़ कि मेरी कोर चीज़ क्या है. तो मेरे फर्स्ट और सेकंड अटैम्प्ट में, सेकंड कॉन्फ्रेंस में, सेकंड ही कॉन्फ्रेंस था ये, तो यही मतलब मेन डिफरेंस मुझे लगा कि मैं फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट में बहुत श्योर नहीं था कि मेरी कोर स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या है, मेरी वीकनेसेस क्या हैं. तो यही मैंने एनालाइज़ किया. वो ये ज़रूरी है कि आप बैठ के शांत इलाके में एकदम बैठ के आप दोस्तों से भी पूछें, आप अपने टीचर्स जिससे भी पूछ सकते हैं. आपके वीकनेसेस ज़्यादा पूछें, स्ट्रेंथ हो जाएगा लेकिन वीकनेस पूछना बहुत ज़रूरी है आपका, क्योंकि पीपल ना दे क्रिटिसाइज यू फॉर बीइंग टू क्रिटिसाइज यू, मतलब तो करना इसलिए कर देते हैं क्रिटिसाइज, ये नहीं. उनसे आप ये पूछें कि एकदम मेरी वीकनेस क्या है वो चीज़. तो जब आपको एकदम आपकी कोर वीकनेसेस और स्ट्रेंथ्स पता होंगी तो आई थिंक यू कैन परफॉर्म बेटर. एंड
Let me elaborate this. What Sikandar is telling has got a lot of meaning. पहला बात तो ये आता है कि हम SSB में why are we permitted to ask you? अरे भाई तू इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर है, you are an interviewing officer. You find out what is the weakness in me. Why are you asking me? Why are we permitted to ask you what is your weakness? Anybody? Do you have the self-awareness? Do you really know yourself? I have assessed you. I don't have to gain knowledge about your weaknesses. But what I want to say, are you a genuine person? Do you know your weaknesses? बीमारी पता चलेगी, नब्ज पता चल जाएगा तो दवा तो आप दे सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर आपको यही नहीं पता है, many times people have very poor English. They don't say that, sir, my English was very poor, communication skill. I have worked hard, I have come up to a certain level, but the work is in progress, sir. But I assure you, sir, that in 3 to 6 months' time, my general awareness or this or that will improve. Then we appreciate, yes, he knows this, that this is his weakness. That means this guy can analyze himself,
yes,
and has got the courage, moral courage to admit it. Right? That's a very, very important point that he has told. Please take out. Just because I appreciated his weakness, you say मैं भी लिखूंगा. भाई इसका weakness इसका है, तुम्हारा weakness तुम्हारा है. And why are you shy in admitting? क्या गड़बड़ है? You can't be the end all. You can't be knowing everything. I don't know many things at this age.
yes,
I learned. Yeah.
एंड लास्टली एक बस लास्ट चीज़ यही बोलूँगा कि कॉन्फिडेंस कम्स विद नॉलेज. तो फिर अपना नॉलेज हमेशा रिन्यू करते रहो, मतलब बार बार उसे एनालाइज करो चीज़ों को. वर्ल्ड अफेयर्स हो गए, करंट अफेयर, जो भी करना है करो बहुत अच्छे से, मतलब नॉलेज इंक्रीज कर लोगे तो अपने आप ही कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा बोलने का. तो फिर आप शाय नहीं करोगे किसी से भी, बिकॉज यू हैव द कंटेंट. इसीलिए तुम अपने आप ही कॉन्फिडेंस फील करोगे अपने आप में, और बस यही है, फिर परफॉर्म करो, वहाँ पे हो जाएगा.
There are two things that he has told you. One is, whenever you speak, one is your language. So language is like a vehicle on which the content, the matter moves. So if you know the content very well, and if you don't have the vehicle, your communication skill, your content will not reach there.
yes.
You don't have content, you have only vehicle, खाली डब्बा. दोनों होना चाहिए. दोनों आता कैसे? खाली पढ़ लेने से मैं एक दफे आपसे सुनता रहता हूँ. मैं तकरीबन आप सबको 2-3 दिन के बाद बुलाता हूँ, आपसे समय गुजारता हूँ, पूछता हूँ, अगला टाइम के लिए फिक्स करता हूँ. आपसे मैं यही कहता हूँ, खाली आई हैव रेड द थिंग्स से नहीं चलता भाई. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ज्ञानी एंड अज्ञानी इज, अज्ञानी नोज रफली. The Jnani knows exactly what he has to. So that comes with noting that down, putting into your mind, putting into a hanger and hanging it somewhere. Right? For example, we say that America has gone beyond China in becoming our biggest trade partner. Now yesterday somebody was telling and I said, okay, then tell me what is that of China? What is that of America? They did not know. How much is it? 119 billion. But that does not mean that you should not know कि China का क्या है. You said that China, America has gone beyond China. So you must know China also, you must know America also. ये inquisitiveness है.
Yes.
Inquisitiveness मतलब थोड़ा सा इससे और आगे बढ़. जिज्ञासा. So as sir says, Chauhan sir says, जिज्ञासा लर्न करने की. आपके पिताजी किस यूनिट में थे? सर मेरे पिताजी 62 कैंप में थे. क्या थे? सर सोल्जर थे. और सोल्जर में भी ट्रेड होता है. Was he a gunner? Was he a driver? And then अच्छा बतलाओ 62 कैंप में कौन सा वेपन है? You don't know. Why don't you know? Because you have never sat down with your father to find out that कौन सा वेपन था. मोटी मोटी बात पता चलनी चाहिए. आपको तो यहाँ तक पता चलना चाहिए कि पाकिस्तान के पास क्या क्या है और चाइना के पास क्या क्या है. Are you getting my point? Yes. Why? आज मैं बैट करवा रहा था. एनिमी में एक बहुत खूबसूरत सी बात आई थी. Which was told by, yes, what did he say?
Knowing the enemy is half the battle won.
Knowing the enemy is half the battle won. You got to know it, damn it. If you know it, so जिज्ञासा पैदा कीजिए. इसीलिए हम लोग आपसे इंटरव्यू में और क्वेश्चन पूछते रहते हैं. आपको अपने पेरेंट्स के बारे में, अपने भाई बहन के बारे में, अपने टीचर के बारे में, अपने बारे में और अपने बारे में खास कर बहुत अच्छी तरह मालूम होना चाहिए. जब बहुत अच्छी तरह मालूम होता है जिसमें लैंग्वेज भी ठीक हो और कंटेंट भी ठीक हो.
Yes.
चल भाई पे क्यों खड़ा है, दे आ जा. ऐसा नहीं कि 5 रुपए इनको देना पड़ा. इस बार 5 रुपए दिए थे क्या सिलेक्शन के लिए?
नहीं सर.
हैं? This is not Bengal. Sorry for saying so. Such a literate nation, such a literate state. और वहाँ एक टीचर के बहाली के लिए इतना पैसा लग रहा है. Third class teachers will not teach you the best things. You become your own teacher. एकलव्य आया, गुरु द्रोणाचार्य को बोला, सर हमको सिखलाइए कैसे आर्चरी होता है. तो क्या नाम है? बोला एकलव्य सो एंड सो. और तू शूद्र जाति का है. अब बहुत रिक्वेस्ट किया, नहीं लिया. एकलव्य सेड आई विल लर्न. जंगल जाकर के पत्थरों को जोड़ करके बोला योर गुरु द्रोणाचार्य. Kept on practicing, kept on, and he became better than Arjun. Have you heard this story or not? Yes, sir. So if you keep practicing, then your content will also improve. What do you say, Sikandar?
Yes, sir.
Your content will also improve, your language will also improve.
Yes sir.
And more than that, something he told, confidence will go up. कि भाई इतना चीज आता है. Would you like any question from Sikandar? He has not gone into too much of detail, but broadly he has told you. Anyone wants to ask him? Okay, that I'll give you later. So give a big hand to Sikandar.
Thank you. Thank you.
He comes from a soldier's family, and I wish him good luck. Rest of the things I will say later. Yeah. Now Suyash.
Yes. So basically, Sikandar sir has covered everything, like mota everything as sir says. But basically, I just want to say one thing, that have trust in yourself. That is the biggest strength that you have got. So if you have strength in yourself, if you know that whatever I am doing, it is going to help me, or jitna bhi mentors are there, have trust in your mentors as well. They are like a mirror to you. They tell you where are you lagging, and it is your duty to go to them and to ask them कि क्या हो रहा है, how I am performing and all. So basically keep on improving day by day. And also, as sir says, that there is no alternative for this
Hard.
hard work. So you have to work hard. You have to work hard daily, and never keep this thing in your mind कि आज मैंने अच्छा perform किया है. So अगले 2-3 दिन भी मेरे मतलब एकदम अच्छे से जाएंगे. It never happens. Like here it never happens. One day you are the best. The second day मतलब there is someone who is there to like to stand on you or to like keep you down. So basically have trust in yourself, and that is what I would like to say. And also like have trust in your all the faculty that is there. That's all.
So my question is, how to build trust in oneself? Suresh, how to build trust, and Sikandar also later. How to build trust in yourself? How do you build your self-esteem? क्या करना पड़ता है उसके लिए?
So the first thing which I think is you should have that motivation to win. Like after that you start to analyze yourself and to basically know कि whatever I am doing it is for my own betterment. Like for starting from working hard or for that say any other thing. So trusting yourself even if you are not doing something, self analyzing yourself. It builds trust in you.
What else? Sikandar, if you would like to add something.
So only thing that will gain yourself a trustworthy. I think hard work is the main thing over here. Like you only trust person who is actually working, right? You can't trust a person who is wasting his time and all these things is not performing.
Suppose I am sick. Which doctor will I go to? Nausikhua? Yeah, 5-star holder. How did he become 5-star? He worked also very hard.
Yes.
Day and night. सुबह से रात तक खाली पैसा बनाने के चक्कर में नहीं रहा. So why should we trust you in SSB on you? जैसे ही आप मुंह खोलते हैं हमको पता चल जाता है कि आपने कितना मेहनत किया है. आपने, और कहने में कोई बुराई नहीं, कहने में कोई बुराई नहीं है कि सर मैंने कम से कम 10,000 वर्ड पर टाइमिंग लगा करके लिखा है. मैंने हर छोटी चीज पर स्टोरी लिखने की कोशिश की है जो मेरे चारों तरफ हो रहा है, जो मैंने किया है और मेरे चारों तरफ हो रहा है या जो मैंने देखा है. मैंने भाग दौड़ की, अपना वजन कम किया है, मैंने फिजिकल फिटनेस हासिल किया है, मैंने जनरल अवेयरनेस पढ़ा है, मैंने याद करने की कोशिश की और जानने की कोशिश की है कि मेरा देश क्या है, मेरा वतन क्या है. मैंने जानने की कोशिश की है G7, G20, शंघाई कोऑपरेशन, ये वो क्या हो रहा है. आप अगर उसको बोलेंगे कई एक दफे अच्छे इंटरव्यूई बताते सर मैं ये तैयार करके आया हूं, बोलता अच्छा बतला इंडो चाइना रिलेशन क्या होता है, क्या हो रहा है. You must have facts and figures also, and these facts and figures will not come from sky. You have to work hard, you have
Yes.
to note it, you have to memorize.
Exactly.
Yeah. Right. Now both are available here. You can ask direct questions about anything that is there in your heart regarding SSB, the do's, the don'ts, anything that is there in your mind. Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, I wanted to ask you, because you were first conferenced out and then screened out.
Yes.
After analyzing, you must have got to know what things you were exactly lacking in.
Yes.
So, how did you overcome? What changes did you do from previous preparation to this preparation?
Yes.
And at what pace and at what exact plan did you follow?
Very good question.
Yes, I have already talked about this to sir before also. I was lagging in my organizing skills. Like I wasn't a very organized person. Now also I'm working on these weaknesses. But in first attempt, in my strength and weaknesses and all these things, my friends, family, all these things, they were not organized. Like I didn't have a notebook for my SSB preparation, and you must have a notebook. Like you should know what are you writing, what are you going to say over there. So मेरे पास notebook भी नहीं थी, ना मैंने कुछ बनाया था. I was like candid. But candid, obviously you can perform in a candid manner also. But उसके लिए भी you should have the content backing it that ना. तो कुछ तो होना चाहिए तुम्हारे पास बोलने के लिए. तो वो वहाँ पे मैं लैग कर रहा था. मैंने ऑर्गेनाइज वे में प्रिपरेशन नहीं करी थी पहले तो, लेकिन आफ्टर आई गॉट स्क्रीनड आउट तो मैंने थोड़ा सा अपने आप को इम्प्रूव किया उस सेक्शन में. मैं छोटे छोटे नोट्स बना लेता था मेरे फ़ोन में. जब भी मेरे माइंड में कुछ थॉट आता था एसएसबी रिगार्डिंग या फिर इन जनरल लाइफ के रिगार्डिंग, तो मैं लिखता था उस चीज़ों को, और वो लिख के बाद में देखता था कि क्या है. और उसके बाद अगर मैं छोटी छोटी चीज़ें भूल जाता था कभी कभी मैं करनी, तो वो भी मैंने ट्राई किया कि मतलब मैं अलार्म सेट करूँ हर चीज़ के लिए, छोटी चीज़ के लिए, बड़ी चीज़ के लिए. और अलार्म सेट किए मैंने. फिर अपना, जैसे मैंने पहले ही बताया कि मैंने अपनी लाइफ को थोड़ा सा ऑर्गेनाइज वे में जीना किया कि मतलब सुबह इतने बजे उठना है तो उठना ही है, रनिंग के लिए जाना है तो जाना ही है, बस और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. तो ये मैंने किया, बस ये इम्प्रूव किया मैंने.
Right. Right. So Suyash, would you like to, in a very brief manner, tell your experiences of 5 days?
Yeah, so starting from my
Keep it slightly closer.
So starting from OIR sets, we were like given 80 questions, and we were given like 34 minutes in total to solve them. Then for PPDT, I had got the picture, and just by looking at the picture, I got to know कि मेरा theme क्या मतलब decided.
कैसे? How did you achieve
So
this?
this all was like this all मतलब ये जो भी decision था, this came with practice in like in class also. Like whenever you are given, like whenever you are part of TAT classes, so you basically look at the picture, and with the help of sir you get to know कि और क्या क्या themes इस पे आ सकते हैं. And also, as our mentors used to tell us कि you have to have a set of minimum 30 stories आपके साथ में, so that these stories they help you a lot. So after that in PPDT I gave my best. Obviously मतलब it like I tend to fumble, but in last day also when I was here I fumbled while narrating my story. But there I went with that mindset कि कुछ भी हो I have to complete my story. So after completing my story in discussion, I gave chance to all of them to speak. I even initiated the themes and all. So moving on to the psychology part, the only thing that has helped me in psych is practice. I used to, even in home I used to practice 60 watts in the stipulated time frame. 60 SRTs and the 12 TATs that you have to write.
That builds your speed of writing.
Yes.
That builds your confidence that I have done it 15 times, why will I not do it today? That gives you variety of things that you have already attempted. So, something which you have already done it twice or thrice, you will be able to do it again. The most important thing in success in anything is your initial confidence. Since you have done it 10 times, 15 times, you know yaar main kar chuka hu, main karunga. Are you getting my point? But if you have not practiced, you think, अरे मेरे को बहुत अच्छी हिंदी आती है, मैं तो लिख ही दूंगा. Sorry boss. What you don't use, you don't become proficient. So that was about psychology. Yeah, what else?
So for GTO also it went good. जो भी GD topics हमें दिए गए थे यहाँ पे, and the way it was to mint, मतलब they gave it 2 to 3 days, जैसे आप सबको भी मिलता है a year. So you basically research on them and you get to know a lot of things. So these things you can interlink. Like basically अगर कोई topic आ जाए and the next topic, so you can interlink these things. So that helped me a lot. And also here also like in GDs and all, I used to participate, and I used to get to know about कि ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं करना है, ऐसा मतलब you have to work like this. So there also my both GDs went well. So starting में ही I had analyzed कि one of our teammate, he was very dominating. So I made it a thing कि इसको मतलब रोकना ही नहीं है. I knew he was going to be the first speaker always, and he was there. So I decided that I will always be the second speaker or the third speaker,
But I will
depending
speak
upon the
well.
situation.
But I will speak well.
Yes, I will speak well.
You don't have to unnecessarily be the first speaker only.
Yes.
It is the quality, not the quantity. ये दिमाग में सबके भरा हुआ है, मैं पहले बोलूंगा तो मेरा सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा और मैं लास्ट बोलूंगा तो मेरा सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा और बोलना आता नहीं है और उसके लिए लड़ मर गए आप. अरे यार, इट्स अ हेल्दी ग्रुप डिस्कशन, डैम इट. इट्स अ हेल्दी ग्रुप डिस्कशन एंड इंटेलिजेंटली प्लान. तुम्हारा ग्रुप कैसा है, क्या है, और उसी तरीके चलो. और जैसा इन्होंने बताया और आपको भी क्लास में सिखलाते हैं, सुनिए, सुनाइए, समेटिए. Isn't it? आगे बढ़ो भाई.
Then in lecturate topic also, I was the first one to give the lecturates. So I picked up the first chit that was there, and the first topic jo tha, I spoke on it. So like the news that I have learned or the GT topics that I had went through. So this helped a lot in my lecturate as well. So I had my lecturate on fashion industry. And I was able to give stats about textiles, जो अभी recently
तो
news
आपको भी
में
पता है, बहुत सारे आप लोगों को पता है टेक्सटाइल के बारे में. तो हम जो आपको न्यूज देते हैं और आपसे बार बार सुनते हैं कि इसलिए देते हैं ताकि आपके पास काफी खजाना रहे. जब खजाना रहेगा तो यू विल बी एबल टू खींच करके. राइट, इंडिया एक्सपोर्ट इन फैब्रिक has it gone up or not? कितना हो गया इस बार? So you know it. और उसमें भी गारमेंट में कितना हो गया? Now all of you know. So कुछ भी टॉपिक आएगा उसमें, जब अगर आप यहाँ के 15 दिन और यहाँ से जाने के बाद भी हमारे टॉपिक्स को निकालेंगे, घर पर डिस्कस करेंगे, सोचेंगे, उस पर पढ़ाई करेंगे, you will have so much of knowledge that you will be able to speak in the interviews, speak in the group discussions, speak in the lecturing, right? Yeah.
So moving on in PGT and in HGT. So all the things that we have done right here in the class, same matlab the formulas that they have taught you and the way that you have to plan the things in GTs, it was basically the same. So like in the initial phase, our GTO was also very cooperative. Like he said that your time has run up. So basically now what you do is, जिसके पास भी idea होगा, he'll come on ground. He will the person, he will show me the task कि कैसे you are going to work. And then अगर if the idea is suitable, then you all will cross. So basically we were a group of 9. So एकदम लास्ट स्टेज में क्या हुआ कि हमारा पूरा ग्रुप वॉज स्टक. सो 8 जनों ने उनके आइडियाज दे वर गिवन एंड इट वाज नॉट वर्किंग. सो आई वेंट एंड आई सॉल्व द एंटायर टास्क बाय माई सेल्फ. सो देयर द ऑफिसर he saw, and the next day command task में he gave me the most difficult thing, and he was also. So here your group dynamics also works. So apart from the task that you are performing, you have to also be good, and you have to also help your subordinates in so you have to create a bonding. So command task में क्या होता है, so they will call you. So these also small things the GTO he observes and he notes it down. So these also things that will help you. So moving on, my my individual obstacles. It also went good, due to rain and due to some things, we only had 8 tasks to complete, from which I completed 7 of my tasks. So then moving on in FGT, I didn't even participate. जो 9 लोग थे, they were screaming to their top of their voice, और कोई एक दूसरे का सुन नहीं रहा था. So I was just cooperating कि okay, so you have an idea, so let us do this, and only 2 ideas were workable. So out of our 9, 8 were shouting. So I said कि let us now cooperate and let us hear to what they are also saying. So on the 4th day, I had my interview. My interview, it lasted for around 1 hour. So basically, it was all I was a fresher. So it all went about my fundamentals. Fundamentals in the thing that my education, my activities at school and college, the teachers that I like and dislike, and the friends that I like and dislike. And in between, like sir had already mentioned that you have to, like there are certain things by which you can turn the interview in your way. Like for example, in hobbies, if you mention reading books is your hobby, so the IO will recognize it, and there are chances of him asking you this question. So basically, I was also prepared for the same. I mentioned that reading books is my hobby, and the second it was reading newspapers is my hobby. So the IO, he went to reading newspapers and he asked me who was, yes, and who was, yes, sir. And like he asked me which newspaper you read, how many editorials are there, and you basically show me on which paper, on which page what is there. Apart from which he asked me like who is the chief editor of the newspaper, and these all questions were already discussed in my interview. And like if luck favors, he will ask you GK questions, or if not, then he will not ask me. But my IO, he
But you got
didn't
to
even
go
ask me.
prepared.
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
you got to go prepared.
Yes. So these things, these like knowing general awareness, it will help you a lot in your GD and your lecturate. By hook or by crook, it will help you. Even if the IO doesn't ask you any questions, but in GDs and in lecturate, it is definitely going to help you. So in conference, like I was part of many extra curricular things. So my whole PIQ was filled with that. So in my conference was on fifth day, and the president of the board, he pinpointedly asked me those questions which I was not a part of. He asked me 5 questions regarding was I part of, like I was part of this NCC. So he asked me how many camps have you been. So I said that the camps that I've been to, I answered it. And literally there were 5 questions that he asked that was not part of my PIQ. And I straight away mentioned that no, I was not part of these. He even asked me how many times have you donated this blood. I said no sir, I have not even donated blood once. So that is what, like I thought that he was checking my integrity and my truthful nature. So I was like, whatever things I have done, I will showcase that, and I will not beat around the bush.
1 minute, I will just intervene here. Why he asked him whether have you donated blood or not? If you had donated blood, definitely would have mentioned in PI. It's not a small thing that you are donating blood. So he's probably checking up whether he's telling the truth or not.
होगा जैसे ही आपने बोला कि ठीक है थोड़ा झूठ बोल देते हैं कि कर दिया, वो 50 चीज पूछना शुरू करता है, उसके पहले क्या हुआ था, उसके बाद क्या हुआ था, तेरे को क्या मिला क्या नहीं मिला. भाई what you have not done, don't say.
Unnecessary.
What Chow sir is telling or what Suyash or what Sikandar is telling, if you have not done it, you have not done any crime. Don't show off. 10 न्यूज पढ़ के चले गए और वहां बोला मैं इंडियन एक्सप्रेस पढ़ता हूँ, और फटाफट आपसे पूछ लेना भाई उसके एडिटर का नाम बतला, कहाँ से प्रिंट होता है, उसका लेआउट क्या होता है, संडे में क्या डिफरेंट होता है, आपकी हवा निकाल दूंगा वहीं का वहीं. और एक दफे मुझे पता चल गया कि आप सट्टेबाज हैं,
बस खत्म.
खत्म, आपकी कहानी खत्म.
You cannot be a liar as an army officer. You
You
cannot
cannot
lie.
be talking big lie. कहीं कहीं पे आप थोड़ा घुमा सकते हैं, right? Yeah.
So my conference went well. As I mentioned, I was asked 7 questions, out of which 6 I mentioned no. I was not part of these things. And then the traditional questions like how was your stay at SSB, and do you have any suggestions? So I mentioned that I have no suggestions and my stay was wonderful. So then the results came and I was recommended. So that's all. Like
Big hand
I
for
was.
both of them.
But 1 minute, one.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
let the
one-
mic be with him. I want to tell you something that when you are there at the SSB, which I keep telling you very often, that you should always have your presence of mind while answering questions. So he was asked one question, very simple question, and how he answered it is what I would want him to tell you. He was asked, you're wearing a mask and you're also wearing a shield, how do you feel about it? What is it, how did you answer it?
Sir, I mentioned that now it has become a part and parcel of my life. Then he asked me like, how has it individually like helped you, or how was your experience about it, COVID? So I said that as I am a student, so education has hampered. So we are now learning different ways of online this system. Then at the end, I had these lines prepared in my mind. So these lines, it helped me. So what I mentioned was that COVID has basically taught us with minimum inputs, how can you maximize your this outputs.
Wonderful.
So that is what, and the IO he was like impressed, and he said that, oh wow, you have like really good thoughts about COVID.
And taken it positive.
Yes, and he took it positively.
As we tell you, you have to be positive in everything. मार खाना पड़ेगा हर दफे जब आप बॉल मारेंगे गोल पोस्ट में तो गोल नहीं होगा, तो उससे अपने दिल को उदास नहीं कर लेना है, उससे अपने मन को छोटा नहीं कर लेना है। जीवन में हर दफे जब आप प्रयास करेंगे तो हर दफे आपको सक्सेस मिलेगी, ऐसी बात नहीं है, आपको मार खाना भी आना चाहिए। And in the end, along with these two, and every day that you have been getting good results, while we were talking, we received a fantastic news once again that Riddhi Lale has gone and got selected in her NCC entry. Give her a big hand. And final thing, those who will work, they will win. India has worked. वही बंदे 8 साल 10 साल पहले भी हम वही सिकंदर थे, वही रंजीत थे, वही चौहान सर थे और वही सुयश था और वही आप थे। आज समाज में हमारी इज्जत है। इन लोगों ने मेहनत किया तो उनको रिजल्ट मिला। रिद्धि ने भी मेहनत किया। लास्ट टाइम शी वाज स्क्रीन्ड आउट, शी वाज स्क्रीन्ड आउट, बट शी डिडंट लीव हर सीन और उसको यहां नहीं आई। फिर भी मैंने इंटरव्यू किया और 2 दिन इंटरव्यू किया। आप जितना मदद चाहेंगे मेरे से, यहां से चले जाने के बाद ये मत समझना कि गुरुदेव एकेडमी बंद हो गया है। सो वो तो जब वो आएंगी तब हम उनकी बात करेंगे। टुडे इट्स अ ग्रेट डे। सेकंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट बेटा।
थैंक यू सर।
डू वेल इन लाइफ। देश की मान मर्यादा को नीचे नहीं जाने देना बेटा। हम तो उन्होंने बड़ा मेहनत किया, यहाँ तक लाया है, अभी बूढ़ी हड्डी में जान नहीं है अपनी।
See, when you all get selected, what do we get? We get this satisfaction, just like your mother and father would get.
Get tremendous pleasure.
The satisfaction, pleasure, this is what we get.
और दिल से बतला रहा हूँ मैं कि यहाँ पर बहुत सारे तारे हैं। अब तुम में दम है भी नहीं अपने हाथ को अंदर ले जा करके निकाल के यहाँ लगा लेने के लिए। ठीक है, जो मेहनत करेगा वो जीतेगा ही। राइट? वीर भोग्या वसुंधरा, इस वसुंधरा को सिर्फ वीर भोगेंगे और आज का वीर सुयश और सिकंदर।